So the question that I get all the time is, well, Miss Mia, how can we perfect the pre-trip inspection for before our test date? Like, what's something we can do to kind of get it? Because it's a lot of information. So the question is, how can you perfect your pre-trip inspection? So I'll give you some tips. Tip one, study. Study. You're not going to learn all of this in a day or 2 days. Every day that you get out of class, study. Even if it's just an hour, or break it up. Some people, can't keep that attention, that long. So break it up. 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. If at all possible, record your instructor doing the pre-trip on your phone, if they will allow it. Ask if it's okay if you record, and if they allow it, record the pre-trip on your phone and listen to what he's saying and watch that over and over again. Step 2, make sure that you take your own notes. So everybody has different learning patterns, different learning curves, different learning styles, different learning ways. So everybody in your class is not going to learn the same way as you, and vice versa. So make sure that you always bring a pad and a pen and take your notes. However, it's easier for you to remember, write it down. Make sure you write it down and go over your own notes. Do not rely on other people's notes to help you. Take it in your own words. Step 3. Get there early and start practicing by yourself. I know a lot of the times in the CDL classes, you're in groups. Sometimes it helps if you get out there and you practice alone and by yourself, and go over it by yourself with nobody else there. Next tip, talk out loud to yourself. When you're there by yourself, or even if you're in your car and you're on the side of another vehicle, start pre-tripping that truck. Out loud. Say it out loud. Say it out loud so you can remember and everything can kind of come back to you. Speaking it out loud, from my experience, helps a lot. So speak out loud and say it. Next tip, speak kindly to yourself. This, it's not going to be easy. It's not. But going into it with a positive attitude will always help you along the way. So stay positive, stay focused. Don't just give up. Tell yourself, okay, I got this. I may not have done well today, but tomorrow I got it. So just, take it easy on yourself. Don't be so harsh on yourself. This is not an easy thing. And you got to remember, anything worth having is not going to be easy to obtain, right? Having a CDL is a big responsibility. Just talk kindly to yourself, study, stay focused. Just talk. So I hope that helped. Good luck, guys. You got it. I promise. Stay focused. Stay positive.